The journey begins.
Alright guys, so we just bought this Honda S2000. It's a bit of a project. I think the previous owner scrubbed it down a bit, so in that aspect it's alright. Because the car's been parked up for 6 years, hasn't had an MOT since I think 2018. Did a bit of Googling. I'm not a mechanic by all means, but I think we have to drain the fuel because it's got 3/4 of a tank. We'd have to circulate the oil around the engine by pulling the fuel relay, put fresh fuel in there, and fingers crossed it will start. That's the owner's story, is that when it was parked up, it was working and it just happened to be outside for 6 years. But the thing is, everybody has a story, so let's see how it is in reality. And I want to show you guys the interior of this car. Is stunning. Check this out. So we got the red seats, the red doors, the red dash. It's a bit Miami spec, but I quite like it. They don't make cars like this anymore. I can't think of any modern car that comes with a red or burgundy dash. Maybe a Rolls Royce? That's it. The aluminium brush trims over here. Look at that, it's fantastic. This gear knob is... What is there not to like about Honda S2000? There's a few telltale signs that the car's been parked up for a while. I think the previous owner spent a lot of time scrubbing it. See the greenery there. It's all dirty under there. The wipers. I think he spent a lot of time trying to clean the car to make it sellable. Bit of green on the tyres as well. So it's in fairly good shape, but I think he spent a long time trying to scrub it and making it look presentable. Even the interior smells a bit mouldy, but nice and clean. Saves the work there. So here's how the engine bay looks. Definitely needs a good clean. I'm unsure if this is gonna turn over, but we will find out very shortly. Don't try this at home. So we siphoned as much fuel as we can. I know this is not the professional way of doing it, but as I said, I'm not a mechanic. Just seeing if I can get it started. Alright guys, so what we've done so far is we've taken the fuel out, put fresh fuel in, because that's number one thing. I've pulled a relay for the fuel pump, 15A I think it is. So we service the car as well. So we're gonna crank the engine till the oil light goes out to lubricate the top of the engine. Then we'll put the fuse back in and see what happens. I'm not even sure if the starter motor is any good, so it should be interesting. Alright, so let's see if this starter motor works and if it turns over. Well, I know it turns over because we turned it over by hand before buying it. The fuse is out. Gone somewhere. The fuse is out. So I'm being told I've got to crank it till the oil light goes out. So let's see what happens. Oh, that's good. Okay, the oil light didn't go out. I'm not sure. So we'll do it again. Just make sure. We'll see what happens when we put the fuse back in. Alright, so I put the fuse back in. Fuel pump is priming. I'm a bit anxious, to be very honest. Alright, let's do this. First time, it's like, I'm impressed. I didn't even, I thought it was going to take for ages. Oh yeah! I'm so ecstatic, man. It sounds so good as well. I know they suffer from chains and stuff, but that sounds so sweet. I'm ecstatic. I didn't think that was going to go that quick. I thought it was going to take a while, at least. I'm very happy here.